Hey guys, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be redoing my videos. I'm starting a new chapter in my life. I'm 34 years of age and 9 days. And I am doing videos I've been doing videos for the past 3 years. And I want to redo my videos to a certain way that I would like. I've been doing it in my house for the last 3 years, outside every once in a great while, and getting things done and off camera. So what I want to do is I want to show you more about the daily vlog. What I do during the day, what I actually go out and actually do. So starting Tuesday, I'm going to be doing a different video starting Tuesday of what my life has progressed to be. It's to the good, it's not the bad. My life has taken a long change since I started living with my wife, and it's a great experience. It's just something that I have to do to show you guys this is my life, this is how I live it, and my wife and I live this life for a reason. I have celiac disease. I can't work anymore. I can't do anything. So what I can do is do vlogs. And this is my life with celiac disease. And how I learn to cope with it. And how I do things for my wife. And also do things for myself and my family. And my dogs. And this is how the progression works when you're starting off doing these vlogs 3 years ago. So now that I'm starting to drive, now I can get around town, now that I can actually do these things of vlogging, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys what I do every day. Each day that is going to be completely different, and you guys know this. So it's not going to be different. It's going to be slowly, progressively getting different. And I want to get it back to where I want it. Whether if it's camping, fishing, or making progression on my truck. And that's what I'm going to do. Showing you guys what my daily life is like. So it's not going to be exciting. Well, sometimes it's going to be exciting and sometimes it's not. But it's not going to be like going to the Six Flags every day, or going to Sequoia National Park every day, or going camping every day. It's a slow progression that I can do because of funds. So be patient, and you'll see what I'm talking about later on. So have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share, and I'll talk to you guys later. I know it's a short vlog, and I'm sorry. On that note, I'm home now. And now here's the kicker. Here's the tools that I'm going to need for my camper and my camper shell. And it's going to be kind of loud because, number one, my cooler's on. It's 106 outside right now, very hot, and I'm sorry. So just to let you guys know, this and this is what I'm going to need. Here's Elliot. That's my other dog, Elliot. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He thinks I'm yelling. He doesn't like people yelling. Told you. This is my boy. And he wants on my lap. He thinks he's still a lap dog. Yeah. So, in that part, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. May I remind you, he is 102 pounds. Solid 102 pounds. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.